Hey guys, Cody the Saner here, and this is going to be our very first song. So the first song we're going to be doing is going to be James the Really Splendid Engine from Thomas and Friends. So let's do this. So I say the opening. James a Really Splendid Engine. Here we go. Some of them are going to be kids singing, some of them are not going to be not. So yeah, here we go. He's a really splendid engine, everybody knows, but he does go on and on and on, always telling us so. It's a splendid fellow, but he really is quite vain. Who do we name? We got it. James. Take a look who's coming down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. Shiny, shiny paint with a jet black stack. Make way for James, hooray for James. Well then it's going down the way, you know. It is beautiful, but like take a vote. There is a really splendid engine with the bright red coat. Jamesy, oh, he can brag all day how fast he goes, how cause he looks, he's such a post. But what about the time he got covered in mud? Aren't all the dud. Nothing down the line, you hear others say that his giant he really is okay. Rainbow reliable and summer late, we all think James is great. Speeding down the line like a lightning flash, make way for James, hooray for James. Hound into your hat as he whooshes past, make way for James, hooray for James. He knows how to stage a show. You better stand back and watch him go. He's a really splendid engine with the bright red coat. Woo! Look who's sawing it down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. Never looks up, he never looks back. Make way for James, hooray for James. But hasn't seen it and really quite vain. You know we love him just the same. Take a look who's coming down the track. Make way for James, hooray for James. Shiny, shiny paint with a jet black stack. Make way for James, hooray for James. He's a really splendid engine. Shiny, shiny engine. He's a really splendid engine. That's our James. That's James.